are new here and you have not met me yet, my name is Bree. I am the founder of BreezyBriTv. I am a spirituality, travel, and beauty channel. Make sure to subscribe and I would very much appreciate it. Hey y'all, oh my god, it's been so freaking long. Thank you again for tuning in to BreezyBriTv. We out here, period. Goodness, y'all really have to forgive me for my absence. I needed time for myself. I've been on my spiritual journey, as y'all know, and it has been nothing short of amazing. And of course, I had to just wait until I felt ready to come back to YouTube so that I can make good content. And I can't wait to hear all of the manifestations that are going to come true with these tips. Alright y'all, so in today's video, I'm so excited. I'm going to be telling y'all the ultimate tips on how to manifest money into your life. Money will just flow to you from the north, the east, the south, and the west. Let's get to it, honey, because I done made hundreds of dollars with just manifesting money. And I'm a living, breathing example that these tips work. Before we start the video, I do want to give a quick shout out to Sunflower Jewels. I got this cute little pinky ring. It's a moon on it. And then I also got this ring. It's a sun on it. They sent me a little emotion bear. So if you flip it, it turns to sad. But today, we're going to stay pink. Butterfly necklace in there. Shout out to Sunflower Jewels. Thank you so much for sending that to me. Even though I have been completely not even on YouTube, y'all still reached out to your girl and wanted to do a partnership. So thank you so much for that. Y'all ready? Let's get into it. All the stuff that I use when I meditate and when I spend time with my crystals. This is my little area, which is my whole display. I have a candle. But first, before we start, ain't no haters allowed in this channel. Yeah, y'all are sage. I'm about to sage y'all. Only positivity in this area. Okay, so step one that you need to do when manifesting money into your life, eliminate all worries, doubts, triggers, and fears of money. We're taught that, you know, money is something that everybody's chasing. We probably know a couple people that are in debt. A lot of negativities that revolve around money. I learned when I first started with my money manifestation journey is to eliminate those fears. I had to let go of my worries and just really focus on knowing that money is coming to me. Regardless if I work for it or not, it's coming. It always comes. If the universe knows that you're worried about money, you're going to bring that into existence. All your worries, all your fears is going to keep money from flowing to you. Step number 2 is visualize. You want to visualize yourself making money. I just started a crystal business not too long ago. Yes, I did. I visualize sales happening. I visualize the things I'll say when I get sales, how I'll act when I make my 100th sale. Really be specific. Imagine it coming into fruition. Imagine it being true already. You can go as far as you want into your imagination and these things will come into fruition as long as you stay consistent. Consistency is key when visualizing. If you are a crystal lover, labradorite is the stone of change. It's so pretty. So when I use labradorite, sometimes I will envision my bank account increasing because that's a change, right? Anytime your bank account increases or decreases or whatever, it's a change. So I always envision my bank account increasing with this one. Yay! Step number 3, if you are a crystal believer and a crystal lover, get you some crystals. Money crystals are so popular. I have a lot of money crystals actually. First off, I'm wearing a citrine around my neck. I have a citrine tree that's super beautiful. Some green calcite right here. Green aventurine. Pyrite. Fool's gold. Pyrite is so pretty. Oh my god. Pure citrine. This is so pretty. Money crystals help so much with attracting money to you. It's just a metaphysical tool to help you on your money journey. I have really brought myself so much money by just meditated with my money crystals. I keep one in my wallet. I keep one in my purse. You have a safe. If you have a business or a store, you could put money crystals all throughout your store. Tip number 4, my purse is not in here. Let me see if I have some money in my room. This is all the money I had up here. But anyways, I learned from Leor Alexandra's channel that she does, and she says she felt very silly doing it at first. She takes her money and she talks to her money. I started doing this recently as well. When you get your money, you talk to your money. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you so much. Invite your friends. Invite all of your friends right to my wallet. And I even have an affirmation right on the back of my phone. I don't chase, I attract. What belongs to me will simply find me. Like, a lot of unexpected things come your way when you are always manifesting or saying affirmations, which guides me into the next step, y'all. Next step is journaling, affirmations, and intentions. You want to be journaling and putting your manifestations down on paper. Handwriting is so powerful spiritually because it is literally signed by you. Everybody knows handwriting is always more sentimental. When you get a text message, you just read it and it's cool. But when you get a handwritten letter from somebody, it's deeper, right? So in that case, it's the same way for manifestations, honey. I did it last month and I said I will make 20 business sales. Like, I was literally making sales the whole rest of the month. I made hundreds of dollars just off of my crystals and just manifesting it at all times that I was gonna make those 20 sales. I made over 20 sales, of course, but it was just a smaller manifestation, and now I have a bigger manifestation in the works right now. I am so thankful for this money. I'm so thankful for my money. The money that I do have, I'm thankful for it. When you are thankful, so much stuff happens, so much more happens, and so many more of your manifestations come true because you are thankful. You're thanking the universe. You're thanking your spirit guides. You put in the work in and you're really being appreciative. Appreciation and gratitude and gratefulness, it's literally the key to manifesting the life that you want to have. So the way that I usually set my intentions, I'll grab a crystal and I'll say, this crystal is programmed from here on out. This crystal will bring in streams of money for me from the north, south, east, and west. Money will flow to me whether I work for it or not. And that is my intention. This crystal is now programmed. I didn't expect to program a crystal on camera, but hey, this crystal's programmed and I accept it, and so it is. The new moon was just a couple days ago. I manifested this money, and by the full moon, it will become reality. So I love using the moon's energy to get me what I want. The desires that I want, I use the moon. So yes, do the work and it will come to you. You do have to be consistent. You have to be serious. You have to believe that it is your birthright to be wealthy, to be luxurious. You know, it's your birthright. It's literally, as a goddess and as a king, it is your birthright. And that guides us into step number 6, speaking it into existence. Literally everything is energy. Money is energy. You put in your energy into making money and into being serious about money in your spiritual journey, then money will come to you. Every single time that I spend, I say this. Every single time. Sometimes I forget. Most of the time that I spend, I say this affirmation. All that I spend comes back to me times 10. And I say that all the time. I'll get it back. I'll get it back. I'll get it back. So that's why I'm not fearful of running out of money. It's all going to come back to me. All that I spend is going to come back to me. Don't speak things out into existence. Like when people be like, I'm broke, I ain't got no, do not speak things like that. Don't say like, I don't have any money, blah, blah, blah. I'll never have, you know, don't speak those type of things out into existence. If you are at a time of financial hardship, you can say different things like, I'm on a healthy budget. You know, that's a good way to change up that negative thinking into something more positive. I'm on a healthy budget. I can't do that today. It ain't nobody business anyways if you are in a financial hardship. Unless you're needing help or something like that, it's nobody's business. You're on a healthy budget, deuces. That's it. No speaking out any negativity into the universe. Speaking positivity into the universe at all times. And I promise y'all, it will catch up to you. So yeah, y'all, those are my 6 tips on how to manifest money into your life. No more chasing money. Let money come to you. Accept it and be open to receive it. So yes, I believe that that is the end of this video. If you watched to the end, thank you so much. I am really grateful. Comment down below some of the money manifestations that you try, and I would love to try some new ones. Like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. I wish all of you guys abundance and prosperity. That's all I can wish you. I wish you good vibes. I wish you good, happy, wholesome, healthy lives. And like I always say, stay positive. Bye.